welcome back to my channel. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, then hi, my name is Revati Baba. I'm a dentist by profession, but I like to make videos, so that's why I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, or any kind of video that I think might be helpful for you guys or might be entertaining in any way. I make those kind of videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you will not regret subscribing to my channel. So go, please go subscribe to my channel now. And without wasting any more time, let's just get right away into the video. So by the title and by the thumbnail, you might have already guessed what this video is gonna be about. This is gonna be a legit last Shein haul ever on my channel, or even on YouTube for that matter, because I'm sure by now all of the YouTubers have already done last Shein haul on their channels. So I also wanted to do one last Shein haul on my channel. That's why I am doing this, and also I wanted to do this video since such a long time, but all my stuff was back in Sangamner, as I'm sure you guys already know. So finally I got my stuff back, and so now I can finally make this video. And I bought this stuff all back before the lockdown happened, like exactly before the lockdown happened. In fact मेरा एक parcel था जो courier वाले के पास ही था, वो अभी जब मैं संगमनेर गई तो I went and contacted him and picked up my courier. Like after my courier staying there for almost 6 to 7 months, I finally got my courier. So that was the last parcel that I actually received from Shein, and that's a red dress which I'll be showing you in the haul right away. So yeah, so now I'm gonna be showing you the clothing pieces because I've already spoken so much. Like why I talk so much, don't I? So yeah, so I don't know if you guys know or not, or if you remember at all, that there were these slots in Shein that you could buy 3 clothing pieces for $9.99. So in that slot I had bought 3 t-shirts. So I'm gonna be showing you right away those 3 t-shirts that I got from that slot, which costed me, for like all the 3 costed me for 1,000 rupees or something in that range, and I got it exactly before the lockdown. So guys, I'm not going to be doing a try on haul because frankly speaking, you are not going to you can't buy it, and there's no point of me showing it. It doesn't make any sense. But I just wanted to do one last haul on my channel, so I'll be showing you what exactly, like whatever I bought, but I'm not going to be doing a try on part. So sorry if that's what you're looking forward, and if you don't get to see, so I'm sorry. But yeah, so this is a tie-dye crop t-shirt. It actually doesn't fit me as a crop t-shirt because I ordered it in a large size. Oh my god, and guys, right now I am sick. Like I am literally sick. I am actually suffering. I have been tested positive for COVID, and I don't feel good at all. That's why I'm making this video, so that it cheers me up. That's why I even slapped on some makeup on my face, and that's why I'm making this video, so to make myself feel a little better. If you see my energy low, then please understand it's because I'm sick. Yeah, let's just get back to the video now. So this t-shirt doesn't fit as a crop because I've ordered it in a large size, as I've already mentioned it earlier. It comes even below my navel, so it's that, like it's of a normal t-shirt size basically, but not crop. So that's that. It fits me awesome. I love the fit. It's surprisingly, the material of this t-shirt is amazing, and also like I was wearing it as my gym wear with my track pants, gym track pants. Like before lockdown, when life was normal and shit had not happened, I was working out, I was going to the gym, and for that I needed some gym wear, and so I bought a few gym wear, like clothes that I could wear as gym wear. So this is how the t-shirt looks, and yeah, there's nothing much to say. It's of large size, it's a tie-dye print which is so much in trend, and it's amazing. Now I'll show you the second one which I got from the $9.99 wala slot range. So this is the second t-shirt that I got from that range, and it is a ribbed black basic t-shirt. As you can see, it's not cropped at all, and again I got this in a size large because I want my t-shirts to fit me comfortably. I don't want them to body hug or just make me feel uncomfortable. I like my clothes a little breathy, if that's a word that I can use over here. but you get what I'm trying to say, right? I like my clothes to be a little breathable so that I feel myself and I feel comfortable. So yeah, that's the point. Basically, you should feel comfortable in your clothes. So that's why I got this in a large size again, and it's a basic black ribbed t-shirt. There's nothing much to say, and you can see it's got these detailings again. All the three t-shirts have these kind of detailing on them at the edges of on the sleeves and at the at the bottom of the t-shirt as well. So yeah, you can just style this black t-shirt and you can style it up, style it down. It's just a basic t-shirt, right? And I haven't worn it, but that's the story of my clothes. Like, I've been buying but not being able to wear them. So what can we do after Corona, right? So the third t-shirt that I got from that 999 wala range is this pink turtleneck ribbed t-shirt. As you can see, I love this t-shirt. I've worn this t-shirt like before the lockdown happened. I partied with my friends and that's when I wore this, and it was a night to remember. It was just before the lockdown happened. That's when I wore this, like literally just before the lockdown happened, and I was so happy. Like, not happy, but yeah, I was with my friends and the social distancing wasn't a thing right back then. I don't even want to think, but anyways, that's when I wore this with my blue denim, and it really looked nice, and with pink hoops I wore, and I was looking good. At least I got some compliments also that day from my friends, and I lost weight because I was working out. I lost 10 kgs and I wore this and I was looking good. And now also my weight is still the same, but I wanted to lose more 6 kgs now. That I don't know when is that gonna happen, but let's hope so. It's a neon pink t-shirt, and yeah, I love it. There's nothing much to say, right? Like, it's a basic pink turtleneck ribbed t-shirt, and yeah. So guys, the next top that I got is this ruched red colored crop top. If you guys know me, you know how much I love red color. Like, I am someone who is obsessed with the color red, and if I see anything that's red, I just grab it. That's just me. That's just my reflex. When I see a color, anything that is red colored, that's just my reflex, just get it, okay? So that's why I got this red colored crop top. You can see, and it's again a basic crop top. You can style this kind of crop top in million ways possible because it's basic, and yeah, like, it's so cute. It's stretchable, so don't think that it's not gonna fit me. It is gonna fit me. It can fit actually anyone. Even if someone's a large size, XL size, double XL size, this will fit them for sure. And yeah, I can't wait to wear this. So the next crop top that I got is this white crop top, as you can see. So I hope you guys can see this white colored crop top. It's padded, so yay, if something's padded, it automatically is a +1 for me. So yeah, and I got this in a size, I guess I got it in a size small. Yeah, I got it in a size small, but still it kind of fits me loose because I'm not heavy on the bust area. But anyways, I just don't want any malfunctioning happening with this. But I got this crop top for a reason. I have already mentioned it in my previous Shein hauls as well, that I'm gonna be doing a fun video. So for that, in order to recreate in that video, I needed to buy a few pieces. That's why I got those pieces, and among those, this was also one of those pieces that I got solely for the purpose of recreating for my one YouTube video, which you'll see soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, one more top that I got is this top. I got it in a size, now I don't remember the size, but probably I might have got it in a size large, I'm sure, so that it fits me properly, because a small can fit me either too tight or too perfect. So just to be sure, I order 1 or 2 size up whenever I had ordered previously from Shein. That's what I do, just to be safe, so that clothes at least fit me. If they're loose, we can do something, but if they're tight, we can't, right? We can return, but then that's again too much of work there. So that's why I'm sure on camera you can make it out. This is a shiny red shimmer or whatever, red or maroonish kind of toned turtleneck full sleeves top, and yeah, it's like, it's a blingy top. You could wear it to a dinner date or dinner brunch or anything with your friends. You could wear this and it would look amazing. I wore it actually before lockdown when I was partying with my friends, like, yeah, those good days again. So I wore it when I had a dinner date with my friends. I wore this top then, and yeah, it looked pretty amazing. I wore it with my black denim and some maroon lipstick, and I was good to go. And yeah, and some golden accessories like these. I think I had worn this only, I don't remember, but yeah, this is an amazing top, and it was again for 300 or 400 rupees only, because yeah, it's Shein, and yeah, this for the price, this is definitely a deal. And that's what I'm gonna miss about Shein, कि यार Shein पे सस्ते कपड़े काफ़ी मिल रहे थे और ट्रेंडी मिल रहे थे, ट्रेंडी और सस्ते. बट आई मिस Shein, बट ठीक है, अभी आजियो है और भी बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स है जो सेम, मतलब आजियो पे तो यूल गेट सस्ते और अच्छे, एटलीस्ट Shein पे क्वालिटी का ये हो जाता था, क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब क्वालिटी का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता था Shein पे, बट आजियो पे ऐसा इशू होगा ही नहीं. आजियो की क्वालिटी इज 100 out of 100, like 100%. It is good. I can swear by it. You'll be soon seeing an Ajio haul as well, so stay tuned for that. The last Shein top that I got is this top. Now this saddens me because my god, I ordered it actually, it was only available in medium size, so I ordered it in medium size only, and I bought it from the flash sale wala part, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember, again, it's been such a long time, but yeah, 90% sure, like I'm 90% sure that I got it from the flash sale wala part. But anyhow, I got it again for 300, 400, वही रेंज में कुछ होगा. इसका एक ही इशू है, एक तो आई एम नॉट हैवी ऑन बस्ट एट ऑल, सो बस, एंड दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी. बट फॉर दिस टॉप इट इज, बिकॉज देयर इज नो फिट ओनली फॉर दिस टॉप. लाइक आई can't even, it's a full sleeve ribbed maroon sweetheart neckline t-shirt or top, whatever you want to call it. Like I mainly bought it for the bloody freaking neckline. I loved how the neckline was, but I guess extra small would have fit me. This medium though doesn't, it keeps on falling off, like and the bust area, it keeps on like this keeps on happening. And I don't know, like I'll have to alter this, but yeah, after maybe altering it, it would fit me the way it should. Let's just see now. I have been too lazy to go to the tailor and to get this fixed, so I haven't gotten it fixed, but soon I'll get it. And basically, even after getting it fixed, I don't know where am I going to even go, and where am I even going to wear it, right? So yeah, but other than that, top is an amazing top to have. Like yeah, I wish it fit me. Like anyways, I'll get it altered and that problem will again be fixed. But yeah, this is an amazing top. So as I've already mentioned in the earlier part of the video, that I had been working out, like before the lockdown I was working out, right? So for that I had ordered some athleisure wear also. So I had ordered these gym pants, as you can see, and yeah, I haven't worn them abhi tak yaar. You know what, I'm actually planning to buy a cycle, and I'm gonna then do cycling because I love cycling. And yeah, let's see, and then I'll wear my gym clothes again. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to buy a cycle to do cycling and to get all dressed up nice and cute, like that proper gym wala dressing up. I love doing that. So yeah, I can't wait to do that. They've got mesh, as you can see. I'm sure you can make it out on the camera. Here you've got mesh, and at the edges you've got black and white stripes going on thing. And yeah, I got it in a size large again, so that it fits me, and it fits me loose, a little loose, but yeah, that is one thing I can definitely say, that it will work for me. So the previous athleisure wear that like gym pant I showed, that I haven't worn because that just arrived like just before the lockdown. But this pant, I've been like, I wore it for almost 2-3 months, like before the lockdown happened and when I was working out. And this is an amazing pant, you guys. Like look at it's grey, yeah, grey colored pant, and it's pretty long. And again, I got it in the size I got it in size medium, and again it fits me very, very, very nicely. Like I love the fit of it, and the quality is amazing. Like I've washed this pant so many times. I told you already, right? I've worn it for the past 2-3 months, like before lockdown. So yeah, this is an amazing pant, you guys. Like I wish I could buy more athleisure wear from Shein, because they had the most trending athleisure wear as well, and also at the best price range, right? So yeah, but what can you do now? And right now though, I'm not working out also, so I don't really need athleisure wear. But anyways, whenever I'll be working out, let's hope I get to wear this. And I'm so sorry guys for talking so much in this video, but I'm sick, so please excuse me. Also, now coming to the last and most favorite piece of this clothing haul is, let's have the drum rolls please, is this gorgeous red colored dress. As you can see, I love red color, as I've already mentioned in the earlier part of the video. So yeah, it is a gorgeous red dress. It's a v-neck dress and I love v-necks. Also, it's got these puffy sleeves which you again can wear it as an off shoulder or on shoulder, like however you feel. And it's got like there is button detailing from top to bottom, as you can see. So yeah, and yeah, it fits me well, like it just fits me correct. I ordered it in the size small because only small size was available, and again I got this on sale. I think I got it for 500 or 800 इसके बीच में. Now I don't remember इतना अच्छे से, but हाँ. And yeah, ये वाला last courier में था and I finally got it. I love this dress. It's really pretty and I can't wait to wear it, style it, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely wear it if I go to a beach vacay any soon. And even if I go to a brunch date also, I'm gonna wear this dress for sure. I've already thought how to style it in my mind already. Okay, so I'm just dying to get to wear this dress. Like really guys, I so want to get dressed up and just look beautiful and go out and just just get dressed and go out. That's what I want to do right now. But now I'm sick, I can't even go, and life's just not normal still. So yeah, so guys, I just remembered now that I forgot to show you one more top that I had gotten from Shein. Like along with these other products only, I had got this also. So yeah, this is another pink top that I got. It is a full sleeves top, as you can see, and it has got drama going on the sleeves, and I got it for basically the sleeves and for the neckline part. I like necklines of this shape. As you can see, I love how like the neck is, and and the sleeve portions material is different. Like it's a little net, if I can say so. Like as you can see, it's transparent, the sleeves are transparent. So yeah, so guys, there's nothing much to say about this top as well. I got it again in size medium or something like that, and yeah, it's a basic pink, nice cute pink top that you could wear to a date for sure, because it's so feminine and it's so pink and it's so cute. So yeah, I love this top and I cannot say how much I like. There are so many people who complimented me when I wore this top, and yeah, I love it. So yeah, that's the last. Shein has so many cute tops, man. I am getting nostalgic thinking about Shein now, showing you all these products. Like literally, Shein had the cutest collection ever and most trendiest collection ever. Like you will never find that kind of collection anywhere. Like you might find a little bit of the collection, but not complete, like not their complete collection. You won't find it anywhere on the internet as of now. So yeah, I do miss Shein, especially for the for their prices. They had the best prices for the best products, and also always there were so many sales going on, flash sales. So like kabhi na kabhi kuch na kuch continuous sale chalu hi rehta tha. So I do miss Shein, like thoda bahut I do miss Shein. So that is it for this haul, you guys. I hope this video was fun watching, and I hope this video was entertaining, and I hope I didn't bore you guys by talking so much. So yeah, and if I didn't bore you guys, then please go hit that thumbs up button already. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Guys, जाके कर लो ना subscribe please. मेरे channel को बढ़ने में help करो. आपके support की ज़रूरत है मुझे. You guys are what I need. So please show some love, show some support. Go hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be a haul again on next Friday. So tab tak ke liye, take care and stay home, stay safe, and take care of your loved ones, because at the end, love is all we need, right? Bye.